In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a book cover with Canva for free.
The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
We are using Canva to make a free book cover. Using the free version of Canva gives us access to over 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types, hundreds and thousands of free photos and graphics, as well as 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Sign up for a free account or sign in if you already have one. Next, in Google type KDP template cover and select the KDP paperback cover templates link. Select the trim size for your book, in this case mine is 5 by 8 inches. Next, enter your page count. In Word, this can be found on the bottom left of your manuscript. Now select your paper colour, mine will be cream. Click Download Cover Template. This will now appear in your Downloads folder. When you open this, you will see a PNG and a PDF version. We will use the PNG version. And here is the template. Here is the actual book size. And this is your spine width. So let's calculate the overall size for Canva. First we will look at the width, as this is a bit more complicated. The width needs to be the front and the back cover added together, which in my case is 10 inches. Next we need to look at the bleed. This is 0.125 for the left and 0.125 for the right, which is a total of 0.25. Then we need to add the spine width. In my case this is 0.4. So this gives us a total width of 10.65. The height is easier as it is just the actual book height times by 1, which is 8 inches for my book. Then the bleed, which is 0.125 for the top and 0.125 for the bottom, with a total of 0.25. We don't need to add the spine width, so this gives us a total height of 8.25. Now go to Canva and select Create Design. Ignore the suggested designs and select Custom Size. Change the size here to inches. And then we need to add our width. In my case it's 10.65. And then the height, which is 8.25. Select Create New Design. Select Uploads to add your own images. First we need to unzip the template before we upload them. Open your download folder, right click the template folder and select Extract All. When done, close and go back to Canva. Select Upload Media. Choose Device and browse to the download folder and select the unzipped folder. Click on the PNG version and this will upload to Canva. Click on it to add it to your design. Resize to fit. And then upload your book images in the same way. Start adding your images to your design. I'm going to add a background colour. To do this, select Elements and scroll down to the square shape. Resize to cover the whole of the template. Right-click the shape and select Send Backwards. To change the colour of the shape to match any images, click on the colour square here. It will pick up the photo colours. Now add other images. Now select the background colour and change the transparency so you can see the template underneath. Do this before you design your back cover so you can see where the barcode will go. Click Text to add your book information. I have this stored on a Word document so I can copy and paste. Here you can format your text style, colours and size. Play around with the layout. Select the background colour and change the transparency to hide the template so you can see how your cover will look. Change your fonts so they stand out. I've added my web address here. You can zoom into areas that you need to format. To do this, click here to change the percentage. We can now add a spine. Choose text box. Now add your book title and author name. Make it bold and change colours if you need to. Now reduce the size and click here to rotate it and reduce size if needed. Select your background colour again and change the transparency so you can see the template. Now place your spine information between the guidelines and resize as necessary. If you hold your Control key, it will allow you to move it to the exact place you want it. Zoom in to check. Select the background again and change the transparency to 100. Click here to see the full screen view of your book cover. Press Escape on your keyboard. Select Download. Choose your format. We are going to select PDF so we can upload it to KDP. select download. It will appear in the bottom left of your screen, and here is the finished cover. If you've found this video useful, then please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.